Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's draw some cards and see what we need to hear today. 14. Forgive lightly or lighten your emotional load. Are you clinging to resentments, anger, or sorrow? Lighten your emotional load. Write a note to forgive yourself or another and release it. Who will you forgive today? You contain multitudes. Whitman had it right when he wrote, "Do I contradict myself? Very well, then, I contradict myself. I am large. I contain multitudes." We are a mess of contradictions and ironies and hypocrisies. To pretend that anyone is just one thing is to deny the fullness of our humanity, that we are sometimes the victim and sometimes the villain, that we can do the unforgivable and still be worthy of love, of compassion, of forgiveness. I like this place and could willingly waste my time in it. William Shakespeare. You are not your schedule. Give thanks for the being that lives in you. Beneath the trappings of your life, you are alive, and this is a gift. I will love myself. I hear the drama, I see the drama. I fire my jetpack and blast away from the drama. Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this one. What you see in a person is what will come out of the person, so see them as perfect and loving. You can never give away what you don't have. Doing your best looks differently every day. Rid yourself of resentments that you justify. When you make a conscious choice to be happy, no one can take it away from you because no one gave it to you. You gave it to yourself. And the last one today. Have a mind that is open to everything and attached nowhere. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what we get. Where is everyone? Suffering and struggle are lonely. We want so badly for our people to show up for us, and sometimes they just don't. Their absence hurts, and it leaves space for other people to take their place. Look around you, and you'll see that the people who show up are the right people. Your people. Befriending pain. When discomfort becomes a friend, my most limiting beliefs are healed. Life is at your service. You are worthy of everything you desire. Give life permission to create through you and become visible through your dreams. Aim big, chase dreams, live a golden life. What else am I here to do? Yes, yes. The last card for today. I am filled with love and light. Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? Let's do the little one. Create moments in your day that bring you great delight and satisfaction. You are amazing just the way you are. I appreciate the beauty that surrounds me. I'm thankful for each new day. I give thanks for the love in my life. If you're feeling guilt, regret, and shame, you have gone against your own personal value system. If you're feeling angry, irritation, and rage, your protection system is activated. Have your boundaries been crossed? The last one today. Repeat this daily. I am confident in myself and my worth. I believe in myself and I trust myself. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pull a card about this. Creative expression. Today, spend some time in the creative energy. What is that for you? Drawing with crayons, drumming on the table, thinking of a story to write, working in the garden, redecorating your house, flower arranging, having a tea party with your kiddo, designing a new outfit, taking a photograph, singing and doodles, pottery, planning a trip, making jewelry, sketching, playing music, looking for shapes in the clouds. What is your creative expression? Decide. May you navigate with purpose. "34. Take a nap. Daytime doze. Give yourself permission to snooze. Away. Nap. Naps lower stress and boost your mood and energy. When's your daytime doze? Zip. Authentic self. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Uniqueness and individuality." Alrighty, which item has our quotes today? Control the uncontrollable, influence the influenceable, and accept and let go of the uncontrollable. That was a tongue twister. What does my soul need from me today? In a world full of worries, you are my moment of happiness. Aww. I am powerful, beautiful, and unstoppable. Let people do what they want to do, so you'll see what they'd rather do. I am no longer available for minimizing my love to be anything but me. And the last one today, I need a vacation. I may come back and I may not. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.